Romeo, what are you doing, buddy? Do the crawl. Do the crawl.
All right, guys, as you can see out here, second time, South Carolina. So coming out to the rides right here. We got the Silver Bullet, fast as can be. And then we got Midnight. I don't know why I put this here, but feel like you have a check engine light.
What is that there for?
Hey, no VTEC, right?
Nope. I took it off and I'm basking with the performance boost that I'm getting out of it. I'm super excited about my non-VTEC vape gen.
Not really, guys, not really. He's not doing that.
You have to add that for the folks that don't know the fucking difference between, you know, funny shit and not. I mean, damn.
Phil trying the BBC shifter, Checkered Motorsports.
I'm gonna sit on it and break it off in my ass. And then I'm gonna strip fourth synchro just like John Doe did.
Shout out to John. Shout out to John, bro. Out here.
Good in the hood.
Out here in Charleston.
Charleston.
Are we in Charleston? I think we're in Charleston.
We're in Charleston.
Charleston.
C-Town.
Turtle gang.
That's why I named my car Raphael.
Raphael. Yeah, Raphael.
Donatello's at the house. Oh, never mind. He left. Well, nah. This is Donatello. Fuck y'all and your turtle jokes.
Holy. Rocking the shifter, dude. Hell yeah. Phil's uploading another tune to his Flash Pro right now. What was up with the other one, dude? It was a bonus tune, right?
Bonus tune because I believed I had a bad O2 sensor when I took it, so he sent me a tune that should have helped me with that.
All right, so his air fuel was just like, it was staying between 4 and 5, and then it would just like drop down to like pretty much like 11 or 12. So it's just super weird. I don't know. It's not, wasn't supposed to idle like that. So
my original tune though from Steve, don't do that, and it pins down pretty good. So I'm putting it back on.
Shout out to eTunes. Steve is pretty much both of our tuners, and you know, I'd say he does a pretty great job, even though I've had my share issues with that car. You know, for eTunes, I highly recommend him, so definitely give him a check out. Maybe I'll drop his link down below. colder intake when I get back. It's not going to be a hybrid racing. I know a lot of you guys recommended that, but I want to be a little different than the use, you know? So that's going to be cool once I get that. And then I've been in contact with my tuner. He's going to hook me up with the E-tune or a retune, should I say, for I think like 60 or 70 bucks. So just can't wait to have my vtec lower. You don't miss stock compared to that, huh?
I don't even remember this fucking thing. Ready? When I replaced the spool valve, that's a brand new spool valve I got from the dealership on this car.
Oh, you got a new spool valve in there?
Yep, brand new.
Did you notice the difference when you put it on? Maybe
it was louder and I didn't notice like a power jump, but I noticed the sound of it was more like just.
Did you have a check engine light for the spool valve?
No.
What the fuck's car is that? About to have a tailgate party. No. Seriously though, dude, for 150 bucks,
Yep.
worth every dollar, right?
I think so.
Look at this thing, man. Woo! And it gets tucked in for the week, man. Hell yeah.